Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to change currency in Binance. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Binance app. So here it is. Now in the top left corner, we can see this icon over here. Simply tap on this. And in the top, we can see this setting option. Simply tap on this setting option. And we can see currency option over here. Now we need to simply tap on this one. Now you can simply source any currency you want or scroll down to the currency you want to add. Let's go for this Kazakhstani tenge for now. Now it is changed. Now you can simply tap on this to change it to something else. So let's go for the US dollar. So this is it. This is all we can do to change currency in Binance. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.